Welcome to UTC Industries. Welcome our new product manual sheet metal bending machine. Universal Manual Bending Machines MB have removable upper bar. And it can be changed to another bars with different forms and options. So you can install segmented bar, and it lets you to use our bending machine as segmented folder to make boxes, facade, save money from purchasing additional equipment, cassettes, etc. Or you can put bar for making corrugated panels to produce corrugated sheets for fences, roofs, etc. With standard bar, you can produce standard roofing and ventilation elements with our machine. So it lets you to use machine in different ways and to reduce money from purchasing additional equipment.